Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by deciding how the program should end and why. Pick graceful shutdown when possible. Once decided, make sure open resources will be released, close files, flush buffers, and close network sockets. Next, choose the correct mechanism for your need. Use a function return inside main, call sys. Exit, to signal normal termination, or raise system exit when you want an exception-style stop. Only consider OS. Exit, if you must bypass cleanup. Once you have a plan, implement a clear teardown sequence you can call from one place. You should wrap critical operations and try /finally or prefer with context managers so resources are released even on errors. Make the main routine return an exit code and map exceptions to meaningful codes. Use sys. Exit code to propagate them. Also, add concise logging that records why you ended and which code you returned, so you can interpret post-mortem results. Finish by running thorough tests, normal completion, raised exceptions, and forced terminations to confirm your cleanup works. Make sure child processes terminate and files are not left locked. Check for unflushed data and correct exit codes. If something goes wrong, reproduce a minimal failing example, enable detailed logging, and step through the teardown sequence to find the resource that didn't close. Then fix the specific cleanup step, rerun tests, and verify the problem is resolved.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.